Today's episode is sponsored by iHerb, a global leader in bringing the best overall value in natural products to customers all over the world. Hey Simply Bakers! On today's episode, I will be sharing with you how to make a no-bake, quick and easy chocolate protein cupcake. Let's begin! You're going to need 7 ingredients, and in a medium-sized bowl, add the chocolate protein. I'm using Way Dark Chocolate Protein, which is only exclusive to iHerb.com. I will link it in the description box. Also, I prefer using whey protein when baking because it makes whatever I'm baking fluffier. So I added about a scoopful of the protein powder, and then I added some cacao powder. This actually has a lot of health benefits. I highly suggest adding this. I added about 2 tablespoons, and this is how it looks like. Looks like unsweetened cocoa powder, but it's organic cacao powder, which is much healthier. And then I added the baking powder. Then you're going to mix until well combined. Once you're done mixing, set this bowl aside, and in another bowl, you're going to add all the wet ingredients, the almond milk, vanilla extract, egg whites, and your choice of sweetener. I use coconut sweetener. Now, with protein powder, it has a really strong taste, so I actually like to add a lot more sweetener just to take away the taste of protein powder. But if you like the taste and you don't mind the taste, you can cut the sweetener in half. So you're gonna just whisk it all together until it is well combined. And then you're going to add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and then continue mixing until it is well combined. My favorite word, well combined, in this video. Let's take a pause and talk about iHerb. I ordered a bunch of groceries online from iHerb, and it was delivered to me within several days. Additionally, I was able to receive free shipping. There's also discounted shipping available, and if you're outside of the US, you can check out the link in the description box for shipping methods to your country. Something to note, because not all online stores guarantee this, but iHerb guarantees delivery of your order and guarantees you'll receive the best overall value. It is also a California-based superstore with over 30,000 authentic brand name natural products that are sold in the US market, and my husband and I actually prefer buying items that are US based because it passes all the US standards. Also, if you're worried about your groceries melting or overheating, in my case, because I live in California, it is shipped from climate-controlled warehouse, so quality is guaranteed. So this is all the items I got from iHerb, and I didn't get to use everything, but if you guys want to see a future recipe using some of the ingredients I didn't use, let me know in the comments. So let's now get back to the recipe. Once you're done mixing, you're going to add the mixture into any microwavable friendly container. I'm using silicone cups. These are microwavable friendly, or you can use souffle containers or any dish that is microwavable friendly. I wanted to get the cupcake feature, so I'm using the silicone cups. So if you're going to use silicone cups, you're going to only need to warm it for 15 seconds first, and then if it needs a little bit more warming, 5 to 10 seconds more. And this is how it's going to look like when it's finished. Yes, I'm now down to 3. The first one I did a trial and I accidentally burned it because I cooked it for 30 seconds and that was way too long. I sprinkled it with some chocolate chips. These are dairy free, and that's it, guys. This is a super easy recipe. You can also use this in a mug if you don't have silicone cups, but I will explain more. You can check it in the description box, and this is how it looks like inside. It is definitely a healthy version of a cupcake. You can taste the protein. So this is just for your quick pick-me-up when you are finished with working out and you want some protein, or you just need to add protein to your diet. This is a great way to do so. Be sure to check out the description box for any of the ingredients that I talked about, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.